You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, Selin from here, and most of the welcome. I decided to come up with a simple makeup look, but I end up having this look, coming up with this look in which I'm really feeling the vibe. Are you feeling the vibe before? So let's do it, let's do it. Okay, and if you ever subscribed today, if your first time turning to my channel, you're most of the welcome. What you doing? You have not subscribed? Like seriously, why? Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I swear hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a super brand new video. It can be makeup, it can be fashion, it can be hairstyle. What do you want to see? We do it here. Okay, thank you. So guys, without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this eye makeup look, you don't know what to do, just to carry on and enjoy. Okay, this makeup was a little bit interesting because this makeup look right here, like I said, from the stone on my forehead, it wasn't planned for, but trust me, you know your girl, I do my thing. I know you guys like my thing, and I love your thing as well. Okay, without any further ado, like I said, enjoy. Okay, prime. My face is super moisturized, of course. So right now I'm going to go ahead. So I'm going to be taking my Farsali rose gold oil drop. I'm just going to do a little bit of drop on my face because at the moment my skin is a bit dry. I don't know why, but anyways, just going to apply one pump. We are good to go. I don't know why, maybe because I've not wear makeup for some days now. Okay, I don't wear makeup every day. I wear makeup maybe 3 times in a week. That's enough for my skin. My skin need to breathe. Let me just take a moment to take this drop and massage my face. You get me? You know what I mean? Anyways, the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking this Pixi glowing spray water. I'm just going all over my face. I do use this product when I notice I'm a little bit dry, and this happen always in October. I don't know why. Don't ask me, don't come for me, okay, because I got no explanation for you. So yeah, use this product when my skin is dry, and it refresh my skin so well. You get me? Do a little bit of that on my hands, and super clean. Don't use your dirty hand, okay? Super clean. Oh my days, I'm loving the feeling. I'm going to be priming my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Guys, it's not like don't like this primer, just that it's not for me. When this is out, I'm not going to get another one. Doing the job for me, okay? Just giving me that kind of silicone base, silicone effect, and making my face, I don't know, okay, but I'm not into it that much that I used to at the beginning. Yes. So yeah, our face is super prime now. Once again, I really love this Pixi glowing spray. Can you imagine? I didn't even wet my beauty blender, but I had to do that now because we can't use a dry beauty blender to blend our makeup. No. We are back. So I hope it's wet enough. I'm just going to use the bag to blend. The reason why I'm trying to switch up my beauty blender sometime, because I don't want to keep using one beauty blender. If not, I'm just going to mess it up, and I'm not planning of buying any beauty blender at the moment. Glistening powder. I'm just going to set my face. You know how we do it, you know the struggle, okay? But at the moment my face is dry, but still I'm still going to be using it because I'm used to it already. So my nigger finally find a way to, you know, stick back the bottom of the brush, of the Marphe brush. My nigger did it, and I'm so going to use it to set my face. So yeah, just dab. Lucky Tattoo, and mixing it with the Loreal Perfect Match foundation. In California we have Warm, in L'Oreal we have Cappuccino. I'm just going to mix the two together. This one is a bit dry and it's a lot of coverage, full coverage of course, and this one is a bit waterish and a little bit of less what am I saying, a little bit of weightless. Okay, So as you can see, yeah, cat vanille, just like so, because this product has a lot of coverage. To blend in my foundation, I'm going to be using the NYX brush. I'm going to be starting from one side, so yeah. Loose powder in the shade medium, like so. Look at how it looks like. Good. And so you can cover your whole face. This is pretty brush. I love this brush. Oh god. Yes. Light, I'm going to be taking the Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX Cosmetics, and the two shades, one is mahogany and one is cappuccino. Cappuccino first, because the mahogany is a little bit lighter than the cappuccino. I like the color correct. I don't do color correct. Yeah. I'm going to let that sit a bit before I go in with the second shade with the light. I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Profit Concealer in the shade number 70. Just going to contour. I was thinking this product is dried out, but it hasn't yet, so I have to use it more so that I don't waste the product just like that. Because when you don't use your concealer, or concealer, especially happen with concealer, when you don't use your concealer, it kind of dry out super fast. To blend in my contour, I'm going to be taking this brush by Smashbox. So yeah, dab 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 dab. Okay, so yeah. Going in with this drugstore beauty blender, I'm just going to use it to blend out the highlight. I'm going to start from my chin blender because I love the fact that it's super pointed, so I can really get into my inner corner area. I mean, my inner corner, super bomb to blend, super bomb. I'm going to apply mahogany on top. Yes, now we are live, guys. Who was just looking so dull before. And previous place brush, I'm just going to blend my nose contour. I'm just going to be dabbing motion. We're going to fix that. You need to fix that. You need to fix the shit. Okay, you need to fix the stuff which is not okay. Everything is possible. Okay, don't get it twisted. Just fix it. When this is not going well, you know what, girl? Just fix it. Extra finish so we don't have too much darkness going on our nose. You get me? Using the Loreal Mercier sets my face, under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cheek, my bone, everything, girl. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using Covergirl Queen Ebony bronzer, okay? And I'm going to be taking my brush. Excuse that. It's my nose with a smaller brush. So to do my brow, I'm going to be taking this Catrice eyebrow pen. So guys, to cleaning my brow, I'm going to be taking mahogany, the concealer I used to highlight under my eye. I'm just going to tighten up my brow bone. Decay primer portion. I'm just going to prime my eye. Just the Looks Crease brush. Mahogany concealer on my eyelid. I'm just going to dab. A translucent powder. I always say Loreal, I don't know why. To achieve this look, I'm going to be using these two palettes right here, and then the first one is by Sleek Makeup, and this one is called Enchanted Forest. I'm going to be taking the Essence Bella palettes, applying that all over my eyelid. Taking this shade very softly, I'm just going to dust the excess away, start to blend. I'm just going to start blending the edges out very softly. I'm taking this brownish shade right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and dip in my outer corner more. I'm just going to leave it that on my outer corner and towards my crease, but I'm not going to bring it to my inner corner. This orange shade right here, this kind of washed out orange, blend around my brow bone area. And use my brush just to remove the excess powder on my face. We don't need it anymore. Line my lash line. I'm not doing a wing liner. I'm just going to be lining my lash band so that when I apply lashes there, it's not going to be showing. So yeah. Shade of this one. Let me take this shade. I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm just going to dab. I'm not going to be blending. I'm just going to press it. I'm going to be taking the Catrice Lashes to Kill mascara. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and apply my first lashes. You guys know my holy grail, these lashes right here. While my lashes is getting tacky, I'm going to be blushing my cheeks to the girls. I'm going to be taking the ABH blush, and this one is called Trio. I'm going to do it like so, and I'm using this Zoeva what's, I don't know, Zoeva Looks Cheek Fine. So, and then take the essence away like so. Ooh, the pigment. Get all the powderness away. I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Setting Spray, All Nighter Setting Spray lashes. She's ready to pop on. Becca highlighter, and this one is Opal. Just like so. I'm taking my BH Cosmetic brush, just going to highlight my cheeks to the gut. So I'm going to be setting my brow using the Feather brow gel in transparent. Going for bold, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in number 45. I'm going bold. Beginning that we are going to be doing a super makeup-ish but we turned out to be super bold, but we are still good. Are you not feeling the vibe? Anyway guys, that's pretty much it for this look. I'm going to be right back fixing my wig, then I'm going to come back and show you how we rock in winter or slash Halloween